Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. We are just I am just going to go clean up the garbage and everything I have stockpiled at my house and trailer. So I'm gonna go grab my dump trailer, head back to the house and load it up. See when I get back with the trailer. Alright, we're at the trailer, just gonna hook it up. Always before I leave, I go landing gear, lights, locked, chains. It's just what I do. We're good to go. I also check the tires, make sure they're good. Back door, just in case someone's opened it. I can see the other ones too. And it's empty still, so back to the house. Alright, we're back at the house. Gonna go give the wifey her morning energy drink and load this up. All this garbage here. Some in the garage, some in the house. Oh, looks like she started. Wifey! Look at these little fuckers. Here you go. You're on camera.
Hi.
Is there any more in the garage?
Yeah.
Okay, we're all loaded up. Just gonna put the tarps on. I like this dump trailer. It's been got it for like 3 years now. Had an excavator. I used to use it to tow around stuff. Other than that, it's good for my jobs when I gotta do demo and get rid of everything. Makes it easy. There you go. All right, I'm just going to bring this back now. You're going to have to dump it in the morning because the dump's not open. So, I'll have to do that. First thing in the morning. I'll see you back there. So I'm driving back and I can't seem to find my phone. I just tried to call, it hooks up to my truck, right? So I tried calling wifey there and she's not answering, but it is going through, so chances are it's in the truck. I just don't know where. Very odd. I can't see it, I can't find it. So hopefully it's in here. I'll try to call her again.
Ready?
Hey.
Hi.
Is my phone there? Or, like, I'm calling you, but I can't find it. I don't know where my phone is.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where are you right now?
I'm at the lights by Timmy's.
Oh, well, it's got to be in your car somewhere because I don't think it would work that far.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Okay. Can you just call me back and I'll try to find it?
Sure.
Oh, I gotta take... Yeah, okay. Thank you. Or try to text me, too, because it's gonna go through the truck, right?
Okay.
All right. Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
I'll try to call her back.
Hey,
Did you call me?
I text you. You said text you because it would go through the truck.
Okay, well, try calling.
Okay. Love
Okay,
you.
bye.
Bye.
Okay, well, it's in here. I just don't know where. Hey. Oh, it's too late. All right, well, we'll find it. All right, I'm back at the parking for the trailer. I still can't find my phone. So find it with me. Okay. Stop that noise. See it? That is crazy. Can you imagine I threw it out in the trailer? Oh my. Oh shit. I may have threw it out. I just heard something. I did. Look at it. It's right there. Awesome. Well, guess I'm going fishing. Can you believe that? Here we go. Good. Got it. Alright, I just got home and I realized the tires are low. Must be getting cold. This is too high. That's weird. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Tomorrow we're going to start that installing the pot lights. In the morning I have to go to a rental unit that I have to winterize the outside hose bibs, but honestly it's just turning them off from inside. So yeah, we'll see you in the morning.